Is this detangler better than flaxseed gel? You tell me. Let's start this formula by creating a herbal gel with slippery herbs which contain gel-like sticky plant fibers called mucilage. The internet loves to talk about flax seeds and chia seeds, but what do you know about slippery elm, ambunu leaves, nkui bark? You need to diversify your palette right now when it comes to formulations.
A few hours later.
This herbal gel can be used as it is, but because I'm extra, I'm going to add a few more ingredients. However, you can absolutely stop here and use it on your hair as it is. Let's move to the fun part where we combine other ingredients. In this section, you can add as much or as little ingredients as you want. I kept it very simple, but if you want, you can add oils, butters, emulsifiers in this part. I have a video on how to do that, and I will link it in the description box and on the screen. I would like to remind you that I did not use a preservative for this formula because I was going to use it straight away, but if you want to add a preservative, just reduce the amount of gum or the amount of liquid by 1% and add the preservative. The preservative that I recommend is Preservative Eco. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye!